Okay, y'all, I'm back with another blend. As y'all do see, this is going to be a fresh coconut, almost like a linen and coconut type of blend. As you do see, I have coconut plus vetiver. I have fresh coconut and cotton. Both of these is by Bath and Body Works. And then I have fresh cotton by DW Homes. This is the natural line at DW. I bought this one a couple of years ago. I think I paid like 14. Let me see, the price is on this candle, I believe. Let me see. I paid $15 for this candle. It's not bad for these big candles. I normally put this on the warmer because DW candles really don't throw good. So I have lit the wicks, as you can see in there. I did light the wicks, but this candle is very soft. This is a true cotton or linen type of candle. Yes, so I thought that candle would go really good with this blend because this is a very fresh scent. You don't really get a lot of the coconut in this fresh coconut candle, so that's the reason why I'm doing two. And I am going to light the wicks on both of these, as well as light the wicks on the coconut vetiver. I absolutely love this coconut vetiver candle. It is a coconut slash fresh vetiver type of scent. Love it, love it, love it. So yeah, this is going to be the blend, and I will come back with the scent notes and tell y'all exactly, you know, how this blend did. So we shall see. So I'm going to be lighting these three. The Bath and Body Works candles will be lit, and this big one will go on the warmer. I think this is going to be a really nice clean type of scent, linen type of scent, in the same family as Laundry Day and you know, that type of family. I kind of wish I kind of want to do another coconut candle just to give it a more of a coconut slash linen scent, but I really don't think the coconut scent is really going to come out because, as I said, in this candle the coconut plays in the back. This is more of a fresh, whereas this, you get that coconut, but it's more of a unique type of coconut. You get that blend with the vetiver, which makes this more of a fresh candle. Yes, you do get the coconut, but I think these three will outshine the coconut in this candle. So, we shall see. We shall see what we get, and I'll come back with the scent notes as well as the burn, how the burn turned out. So let's get it. Okay, yeah, I'm back to give y'all a little feedback on this particular blend, this fresh coconut blend. As y'all do know, I did two fresh coconut and cotton. I did two single wicks. I did the coconut plus vetiver from Bath and Body Works, as well as the fresh cotton by DW Homes. This is their the natural line from DW Homes. Just to give a little feedback on the scent notes, fresh coconut and cotton is coconut, coastal breeze, and cotton. Coconut vetiver is coconut milk, jasmine, vetiver. Fresh cotton is linen, citrus, meadow greens, lavender, white wood. Fresh cotton is very similar to Laundry Day. Of course, we all know Laundry Day is a powerhouse, without a doubt. A powerhouse. This thing, it will just throw at a 10 almost. I would say it throws at between an 8 and a 9. Powerhouse. But the DW version, the fresh cotton, is a very soft version of Laundry Day, in my opinion. It is a fresh scent, but DW candles they just don't throw. They just don't throw. So if you do like Laundry Day and it's just like way too much for you, I highly recommend you try Fresh Cotton by DW. And again, this is their natural line. This is a 27 ounce candle for $15. So if, like I said, if this is too much, laundry day is too much, then try to find this fresh cotton. You can find it at Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, any place like that. So yeah, but I'm here to tell you, I put this candle on the warmer because I know it does not throw good, but it do really decent on a warmer. Okay, so for me, this blend was really, really nice. It was soft. It gave more of a fresh, clean scent. The coconut wasn't heavy. You would think that the coconut was heavy considering I have 3 candles with coconut, but the coconut did not really shine much in this blend. And I believe that's because of the single wicks. The single wicks really just don't throw good at all. You know, single wicks are really good for small areas. And where I put these candles at is more of a big concept, big open area. So I really needed more of these candles, but I only own 2. And then again, like I said, the DW candle really don't throw at all. You know, I put that on the warmer in the dining room area. And for me, it only throws at about a 5 maybe. It do smell good. Don't get me wrong. It smells amazing. As far as the coconut plus vetiver, the coconut plus vetiver candle gave more of a earthy coconut, more of a mature coconut. You know, the coconuts with the brown on them. It gave more of that type of scent. But the blend was still fresh, but it was more of that linen fresh, with slight hints of coconut, slight hints of that mature earthy like coconut. But again, the blend was still fresh, and it was also super, super soft. I would give this blend probably a good 5. I think next time I do this blend, more than likely I will do these 2. Laundry Day and Coconut Vetiver. I probably will use 2 Coconut Vetivers and 1 Laundry Day for this blend to get this whole scent again. The fresh coconut candles, they really didn't throw much. If I decide to do this blend in my smaller room, yes, I will use the fresh coconut and cotton candles along with the fresh cotton candle and just X this one out. So yeah, I really love this blend. I love the fact that it was just kind of unique. It was kind of different. It still gave me that freshness, the fresh scent of laundry, but it still gave me like that slight hint of coconut. And y'all know I love coconut. So I really want to get it to be a little bit more balanced. So either I'm going to try it with another coconut candle in a smaller room with the fresh coconut and cotton candles and see how that do. But I really want to master this blend because I really did like it. So yeah, as far as doing this blend in a bigger room, like I said, I will use Laundry Day and 2 of the Coconut Vetiver candles. Leave in the comments, let me know, what are you blending with your Coconut Vetiver candle, or what are you blending with your fresh coconut and cotton candles, or leave that in the comments, or just let me know, what are you blending? Leave that in the comments, and I guess I'll see y'all in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave your girl some comments. Also follow me on all of my social media platforms. Hit the notification bell, follow or use my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick. And I will see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.